Hello friends, welcome to my channel Trading In. Today in this video I am going to explain how I made a profit of 1665 by using a scalping and by using Camarilla pivot with respect to pivot points and the CPR. This is the profit screen which you are seeing and this is the order book. Today I took a one trade and the entry and exit point, everything I am going to explain in this short video. This is the daily chart of Bank Nifty. This dotted line which you are seeing is the daily CPR. This horizontal line which you are seeing is the weekly CPR. So the daily CPR opened inside this weekly CPR. So the first candle opened below this daily central CPR, and it even opened below this bottom weekly CPR. This blue color line which you are seeing is the bottom weekly CPR. So the candles got a rejections from the daily central pivot, so it closed below this bottom weekly CPR and it even closed below this monthly resistance. This red color crisscross line which you are seeing is the monthly resistance. So when I saw the first candle close below this monthly resistance, I knew the sellers are aggressively active here, so they are going to take the market down. So whenever I am a short, whenever I feel I have a very short period of time, I do scalping by using the Camarilla pivots with respect to daily pivots and the CPR. So when I see the first candle got a rejections from the daily central pivot, it closed below this monthly resistance. So the second candle closed below this daily PDL. This black color dotted line which you are seeing is the daily PDL, that is previous day low. So the when I saw the second candle started taking support near this S2, this S1, S2, S3 which you are seeing is the Camarilla pivots. So the second candle started taking support near this S2. So I entered here, means I went long by buying CE and I booked my profit in this third candle because I knew there is a resistance of 20 EMA moving average and it even got a resistance of bottom weekly CPR and even a bottom daily CPR. So it got a 3 resistance. I knew it will face a resistance near. So I entered here and I exited here and it gave me a good risk reward ratio of trade. So I booked my profit here. I knew the when the candles will face resistance from here, the sellers are going to take the market down. So I had a very short period of time, so I entered here and I booked my profit here and I closed my monitor. Later I see the sellers took the market down all the way from PDL to the monthly high. See, this is the monthly high. Blue color crisscross line which you are seeing is the monthly high. Usually this will act as a demand zone. No, usually that is a supply zone. So now the supply zone act as a demand zone, that is the support zone. So the buyers started taking market up. Again the candles started facing resistance near this daily support. Again it faced resistance. Now again the market is going up. So the market is consolidating near this monthly high. So this is how I did a quick scalping. I know the scalping technique is against the trend. You need to be quick. Your entry and exit point need to be defined and you need to keep a strict stop loss. So here I kept a stop loss of 10 points. I kept a stop loss near this S3. So I knew if I make a profit, it will be this much. If I make a stop loss, I will take my stop loss of 10 points. So when it hit my target, I immediately exit. This is the technique we need to use in scalping. So that is how I made a profit of 1600. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, friends. Thank you.